Did anybody just watch Borat? Very nice, very nice. Good morning, good morning. Whew, we slept great. And I had to get up a little bit early so we could have breakfast. Tried to use our pool last night, but it was a little bit chilly. So we decided to pass on that. But we did hop in the hot tub and it was great. Let's go eat.
Hello, sir. Can I get the room number first?
Sure, what is it? Get it out the key. I think 22, yeah, 2208.
2208, thank you so much.
We're down here at breakfast, which is right next to this pool. That's pretty nice. Yeah, that's not a bad place to eat your breakfast. What a view. We almost missed this. You gotta put your shoes up. Staying barefoot in here. That's okay, because this floor is really nice. It's all wood. Everything in here is wood. That's the theme. Super wood. Wood, everything. Everything, floor to ceiling, is wood. Can't imagine how much that costs. Sure wasn't cheap. A little kitchen buffet. Get your custom eggs made. Oh, look at that. Got little pancakes and French toast. That's just crazy. Mashed potatoes. Got your meats. Soups. What's here? Cashew chicken. Fried rice. European fans, we got some cold meats and cheeses in here. All your breads. Oh, Nutella. Stop it. Yeah, this is a full-on buffet. We got a little bit of everything. Let's take a walk down here to the pool area. You know, even though we got a pool in our room, this is nice. I would come out here too. Yeah, definitely impressed. Again, for what we pay, couldn't be happier. Oh my, I didn't even see that. Banana cake. They're trying to kill me with this breakfast. They really are. They're trying to kill me. The options are pretty insane. Yeah, it's just gonna be round one for me. Got some more good stuff I gotta get up there. So how's the content been? Have we leveled up at all? Last few videos should have been all us traveling, having a good time. Seeing a little bit of Thailand. What do you think? Has it been interesting? Make sure you like, subscribe, notify. And if you don't, that's okay. Just drop it on that little dislike, but do me a favor and drop me a comment. Tell me what you didn't like. All right, just want to show you another angle here. Get the full immersion experience. Travel Buddy did her meal. Mine looks a little messy, a little boring. And then you look at Travel Buddies. Much more artistic, probably more healthy too. Woo! All right, what's good? What's good? Chocolate Man in Thailand, back with you. Hey, just finished that tasty breakfast. Man, that breakfast buffet was insane. You could die in there, I'm telling you. That's crazy. I cannot believe how much food they have there on that buffet. It was great. Not to mention the breakfast, the egg, little egg stand they had there. Get your fresh eggs, French toast and pancakes. Ridiculous. Nutella, the breads, croissants, fresh fruits. Anyway, enough about breakfast. We are out on the trail. Actually, this is just the driveway into our hotel, but we are headed out. Got to get me some aqua socks, some swimming shoes, and then we're gonna check out a few waterfalls, drive around the island. No real plan, but we got a couple of days to work it out. Today I think we'll just chase the waterfalls and see what else happens. Hard life, retired life problems. You ready, Travel Buddy? You ready?
Yes.
Yeah, she's ready. Got a monkey up in the tree here chilling out. Yesterday we didn't film it, but they had, you know, you see these monkeys all the time, but yesterday we saw these black and silver monkeys, and they were pretty good size. They were big. and they were hugging each other. They were right in the middle of the road. I cannot believe I didn't film it, but hopefully we'll see them again. We'll go venture out that part of the island again. I'd never seen those type of monkeys before in Thailand, so it'll be interesting to figure out what those were. Hey, while we're driving along here, I want to ask y'all, do you prefer this style where I do like little clips and snippets of the day, or do you prefer a longer video, like just, you know, 10 to 15, 20 minutes of just straight, uncut video? Is that more interesting? Because I know some vloggers do that, where they just kind of do an uncut section of their day. So you're seeing a good 20-30 minute section out of their day and then nothing else. Me, I kind of prefer this, doing little snippets, so you see a little bit of everything we're doing throughout the day, but not a long drawn out version of it. You just see a couple of minutes of what we're doing here, a couple of minutes of what we're doing there, you know, and I think that provides pretty good story, which is what you're after on YouTube, is good story. So let me know what y'all think. What works better for you? What's the place called? I'm not sure which one. Oh, there we go. There's a big sign right there. Hit the. Okay, we're at the Tan Mai Yom Waterfall. And again, prices have been pretty much standard at the national parks, but honestly, they've been so nice, I really don't care that they're a little higher for foreigners. They've been really nice the whole time. So we paid $240 for this one, $200 for me and $40 for my Thai travel buddy. And of course, at the entrance, screening points, temperature checks, and wear your mask. Not a big deal. But I'm sure once we get up here a few feet, they won't care if we take off the mask. And there's nobody here. We're pretty much the only ones here. Yeah, so far this park, no exception. It's very well maintained. There's no trash of any kind. We got this great walking trail. This is fun. Beautiful in here. You can hear the excitement in my voice. I start getting geeky for these nature trails. Can't get enough of them. Look at that water. Crystal clear. You can see all the way to the bottom, and the fish. Gorgeous. Wow, there is an awesome looking bridge up there. Going off trail here for a second. We've got this really cool bridge right here, but it's not open for walking right now, but we'll get at least a photo of it. It's really nice, but for some reason it's closed. You're not allowed to walk on it. It's okay, we got photos. We were there, man. We were there. Not too rugged, a little technical. Kind of wish I had my shoes rather than slippers, but we'll survive. You almost see the waterfall up there. I'll check in y'all. 1 second, you'll be there. Okay, this is where it gets tricky, but not too tricky. There's a rope right here. You're gonna have to grab this rope and use that to guide you to the other side to get to the waterfall over there. Are y'all ready? Too bad I won't be able to film this. I'll need my hands, I think. We'll try though, see what happens. Maybe I can get by with one hand. If y'all never see this video, then you know what happened. Does that even make sense? Oh, these rocks aren't bad at all. They're not slippery or anything. Pretty good. Yeah, this isn't too bad at all. Woo! This water is brisk though, that's for sure. Brisk. They got a lifeguard up there just in case we fall off. He's up there watching us, making sure we're okay. They have Thai Army personnel stationed here at these parks watching over people. You okay? You got it? Okay, travel buddy made it. Woo-hoo. Yeah, the rope really makes it pretty simple. Get through here. Nothing to it. Even one-handed holding the camera, no problem. All right, let's keep exploring here. Keep going up and up. Hopefully we can get around these folks here. There we go. There's a gorgeous view of these falls. They are beautiful. If I had my damn shoes on, I would venture up to a better viewpoint. Did anybody just watch Borat? Very nice, very nice. Yeah, I really want to venture up this hill, but I think that'd be a bad idea trying to get back down. Hopefully y'all don't get waterfalled out. This is just one of many, I'm sure, today. Pretty nice though. Yeah, KOH CHANG, beautiful. Come check it out. Get here. That's the direction we came from there. This short walk, not even, maybe half a kilometer at the most. Up here, trail's not too rugged. About any level of ability can get up here, no problem. Easy walk. And we're hoping to find out is that since these are all part of the national park system here on KOH CHANG, maybe our ticket will get us into the other national park here on the island. We'll see. I'll let you know how that works out. All right, we're in some kind of mangrove forest road. I don't know, it says something about a mangrove in a red bridge, so we're looking for that. But this road is interesting. It's a little tight. Little drop off onto the left, a little drop off to the right. Won't die, but it sure would be fun trying to get this thing out from that if we fell in there. All right. Probably looks a lot bigger. Okay, I guess this was the big show, the Mangrove Forest Road. All right, track down our tourist friends. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting turning around. Okay, that just turned out to be like a little tourist trap. They've got like a red plank that they call the Red Bridge. Yeah, they kind of overstated that a little bit. Wasn't that exciting. So we had an adventurous little turnaround on this tiny road. And now we're heading out of here. Go find something else to do. Gonna ride a boat through the mangroves. Should be interesting. Nice little area. What's up, puppy? If we can find somebody working. It's very quiet down here, even though they're set up for a large number of tourists. I'm thinking this lady over here might be able to help us. Just some folks down here having lunch. This is nice, like a little fishing village. Some of those salt of the earth type people down here working hard, just doing what they do. It's a nice brand new boardwalk. You know, there's a lot of construction going on, and obviously they're doing that right now, which is a great time to be doing it because they anticipate that big tourist influx coming back, and it's really smart that they're doing all that construction now. Kind of rough for us driving around, but that's fine, we get it. Okay, I guess we walked right past it. Look at this good boy here. What you doing? Huh? Chilling? Just trying to live life? I feel you. Found the guys, we paid our fee. 200 baht per person, no foreigner prices, same. Thai for long. Just waiting for our guy. He's over there hooking up our yacht right now. It's quite a big craft. We go ocean, big wave. No? Travel buddy is not a fan of boats. I keep doing this to her. She'll be all right though. Some big fish out there. Probably can't see them on camera, but we can see the fish in the water. Some big ones in there. There's a guy bringing it around. He's got a system right there. Standing oars. I don't think I've ever seen that. Got some skills though. He's hooking it up. It's quite a vessel. Okay. All right. Oh. Okay. There we go. Whew. That was a little effort to get in there. My big butt. Get a little umbrella. Nice. Not bad. All right, supposedly about a 40-minute ride around these mangroves. Like I said earlier, it was 400 baht, 200 baht per person, no foreigner price, and that was just the price. So, works for me. Might be too expensive for some. Whatever. You keep telling yourself that you're not gonna do a whole lot around here. All right, we are on a little boat cruising through the mangroves. It's very beautiful, very peaceful. The water's super calm. Haven't seen any crazy wildlife yet, but maybe that's a good thing. No pythons hanging down from the trees, no king cobras coming out, no swimming snakes, no crocodiles. Just us, the boat, and a few fish. Don't forget, travel buddies up there taking selfies. Naturally. Not surprised. My man's working hard back here. He's cruising. That's going. TikTok queen up there is killing me. Go ahead, TikTok girl. This is super chill. This would be a good event for the family right here. Mom, dad, couple of kids on the boat, no problem. All right, coming to the end of it here. That was very chill, very relaxing. You got this nice table here. The umbrella on a hot day would be great. You could bring a little lunch with you and have a little meal while you're out here. Definitely got some options. Absolutely worth the price, I think. I'd do it again. Very chill, very relaxed. What else you gonna do with your afternoon out here? Enjoy it. What do you think, Travel Buddy?
Good.
Travel Buddy approves, and she hates boats, so this worked out well for her. And that's the end.